In this video, we'll show you how to set up and manage event ticketing in RoverPass. First, open events and activities from your RoverPass dashboard. This is where you can create and manage events, ticket types, orders, and check-ins. To get started, create a sample event. Add the event name, a short description, photos, event dates, location, and capacity. This information helps guests understand what the event includes and when and where it will take place. Next, create your ticket types. You can add different options such as general admission, VIP tickets, or child tickets. For each ticket type, set the price and inventory, so RoverPass knows how many tickets are available. If needed, you can enable ticket holder names. This is useful when each ticket needs to be assigned to a specific guest. Once your event is ready, customers can purchase tickets through online checkout. During checkout, they can select their ticket type and enter the required ticket holder information. After purchase, the customer receives a ticket confirmation with a QR code. This QR code can be used for event entry and check-in. Back in RoverPass, you can open event orders to review purchases and ticket details. This helps your team confirm who purchased tickets, which ticket types were selected, and the current ticket status. On the day of the event, open the check-in scanner. Scan each guest's QR code to check them in quickly. RoverPass also shows recent scans, so your team can track check-ins in real time. If a ticket has already been checked in, the system will show that status. If a check-in was made by mistake, you can undo it. If your internet connection is limited during the event, RoverPass supports offline check-in. You can continue scanning tickets, and once the connection is restored, the check-ins will sync automatically. Finally, review your event stats to track ticket sales, attendance, and overall event performance. If you want help setting up your first event, contact the RoverPass Support team.